Hey, this is Chris with vidsociety.com, and today I wanted to do a DFY Hero 2.0 review for you guys. So this is a done-for-you type website building system. I thought it was pretty neat. I got access to it. I went in and changed around some stuff, messed around with it, and it may be something that a lot of you are interested in, because with this tool, I know a lot of you don't want to mess with web hosting, and you don't want to have to deal with installing WordPress and getting it all set up and all that. And so the Done For You Hero 2.0 takes care of all that, because they manage all the hosting and everything. And so you don't even have to have a domain name of your own if you don't want one. So if you're just sending traffic from your YouTube videos or social sites to your website you build with DFY Hero 2.0, that's fine. But if you actually want it to rank in search engines, then you will want to buy a domain name and sync it up with your account you have through DFY Hero, which you can do that pretty easy. But what I'm going to do is kind of take you through and show you a little bit about what this tool does and how it works. The link will be under this video that will take you to the sales page where you can get more details about it. I'm also going to go over the upsells and the pricing, because throughout the launch week, they're going to have different pricing every single day. The price goes up every day, but there are coupons you can use that's going to help you to save more money with it. So here we are in the dashboard, and there are a lot of tutorials, so you're not going to have to worry about getting hung up on it. There's bonuses here you guys can pick up. You can find all those on the sales page. There's a Facebook community you can join, which is pretty active too. And also support, so you can get all your questions answered. Now this is a beginning video that kind of goes over everything with this dashboard and how it all works. I'm not going to give a full tutorial on how to do everything, but I'm just going to kind of walk you through it to show you what you get. So over here on the left hand side, these are going to be your options. Now depending on what upsells you get, which we're going to talk about those here in a minute, some of these features you may have, some of them you may not. You may have more of them. So when you come over here, the first option you're going to see up here is account. And if you click on that, what it's going to do is give you your main account settings. It's going to show you what you're subscribed to, and it's even going to give you the option to use your own domain name. So here you can see this is your account summary, which one you've purchased. And here you can buy a domain name from some domain company if you want. And all you have to do is create an A record or a C name record. If you don't know how to do that, just contact your web host and say, look, I need to point an A record to this IP address, or I need to create a C name record for this name, and they will walk you through it. It's actually pretty simple to do. You can probably even look it up on their whatever site you're buying your domain from. They probably have tutorials that will show you how to do that. So all this information is going to be here. Now if we go to the DFY Hero console, this is where you're going to see all of your sites. So depending on which version of it you buy on the front end offer, you can get 20 sites that comes with this. Basically you hit import and you can have them installed and ready to go. But if you buy the pro version of it, you get 100 done for you sites. And this can make it super easy to create basically any kind of site you want. So if we go to my sites, I'll kind of give you an example here and show you. But they have websites for sales pages, squeeze pages. You can use them for e-com stores, for blogs, basically anything. All you have to do is just edit it. And it does use the Elementor plugin with WordPress. So if you're not familiar with Elementor, that is something you're going to have to learn. Basically, if you can use like Microsoft Word, then you'll be able to do this too. It's simply clicking, typing, editing, changing stuff. Obviously, there's going to be some stuff you're going to have to learn. And there are tons and tons of tutorials on how to use Elementor on YouTube. That's pretty much how I learned how to use this tool, because most of my websites, including the vidsociety.com site, is built off of Elementor, and I learned how to do most of that through YouTube tutorials. So what we can do here, this is one of the sites that I set up. I'm just going to go here and go to the site and let you see it. But what we can do is, let me just go to, well, we'll get down here to demo content while that's loading and show you the site. So this is the website, and this was completely built out for me already. All I had to do was select this theme, and it posted it on my site. And so this is a full-blown website, very nice graphics. Everything's laid out very well. Someone took a lot of time to create all these themes for you. Now for you to edit them, all you have to do is come up and click on Edit with Elementor. And what this is going to do is it's going to open up this page using the Elementor WordPress plugin, so you can go in and you can change it to customize it to however you want it to be. So while that's loading, I'm going to jump back to this tab. And this is where you can import content, demo content for the themes. And here you can see all the themes where you can access, or just simply click install and it's going to install it on your site. And there are tons of them. Like I said, the front end comes with 20, and if you get the pro version, you get 100 websites with it. Now if we jump back over, you're going to see the page is loaded here. So to edit this, all we have to do is click in the boxes. Click on the text, and over here on the left hand side you're going to see your options to change the word. So we have the, which is here, then we have best, which is here. If we click on quality, you can see it's here, and all we have to do is just click here and we can change it. There's a lot of stuff you can change around to customize it. If we go under style, it's going to give us a lot more options, different fonts we want to use, different colors, all kinds of ways to edit this and make this more unique. If you want to come down here in this area, you can click on this image. You can see here you can choose an image, so I can click right here and upload a different image, change it out if I want to. The text, all I have to do is click in this box, and then I can come over here, let's make it a little bit bigger, and I can come over here, edit this text, and it'll instantly change right here. And it works the same way with the buttons. We have a read more text. We can change this to whatever we want to, and then we can have it to link to whatever page we want to link it to. So this is going to be great for anyone who basically wants to have their own website, whether it's for sales pages, whether you want to create a squeeze page, or even your own e-commerce store or blog. You can do all that with this, and all of it's kind of combined together. So one thing that I'm not too crazy about is that a lot of these tools, they used more of advanced methods to edit all this content, to make them stand out, to use different effects and everything. So if you're not familiar with Elementor, you're going to have to play around with the settings, the decorative elements, and all this stuff to get it exactly the way you want it to be. Which there's nothing wrong with that, because once you learn how to do that, you're obviously going to be able to create really, really nice websites. And so you can go in and you can add any of these you want to and create those. Under the plugins wizard, this is basically, let's go ahead and let it load. Now, while this is all the demo content you can install for your sites, there are different themes you can use, which I was talking about. There's either 20 on the front end or 100 on the pro version. So to access those, what you would do is come up to DFY Hero console and just go down to add new site. And what it's going to do is it's going to load all the sites that you have access to that you can install on your website. So when it loads, you're going to see everything here. It's even categorized, so you can click in any one of these templates and it'll sort those out. So if you want something based on medical, you can click that and it's going to show you the themes on medical. The same with local businesses or any of the others. So if you wanted to have a digital agency, you could simply come over here and select this one. You can view it. We'll let this load. It'll give you an idea of what it looks like before you use the template. And you can also come up here and click on any one of these to see what it looks like even on mobile. And so this theme here looks really nice. Everything's completely laid out for you. All you would have to do is use this template, and then you could go in and edit it with the Elementor plugin. So that's how easy it is to add templates, create full-blown websites, and you can add additional pages and posts to it by coming up to new, where you can add more posts, more pages, and media. Now normally you may be used to seeing the posts and pages on the left hand column here, which they're not, but they are available up here and you can add them to your site. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing and the upsells. So on the front end offer, you're going to be getting 20 done for you websites. It's going to start at $21.95 and it goes up every single day, but I'm going to give you coupons you can use throughout the week. Or option 2 is for $47, you get 100 plus done for you websites you can use just to click and have ready available for any websites you want to build. Now the first upsell is the Done For You Hero templates group. So basically what this is going to do is give you 10 extra templates every single month to use for websites, and it's either going to cost $19.97 a month if you want to do that. You can pay $197 yearly or $297 one time and have access to all the future themes that they add on their templates. The next done for you upsell is for the Hero Agency Startup Kit, which is $47, and this gives you an agency license and monetization training and an agency startup kit. It includes ability to create sub accounts and includes training by the creators and marketing experts to show the best way to monetize your websites, pages, and your blogs. And then the final one-time offer or upsell is the Done For You Hero Reseller's License, and I do not know what the price of that is going to be as of yet. So for the pricing over the launch period of 8 days, you can see everything here. I'm not going to read over them all, but depending on what day it is when you purchase, you're going to see what the price is here, and you're going to see where there's also a coupon that you can use every single day to help you save a little bit extra. So keep that in mind throughout the week as the price goes up if you come back. Now on the 26th, there's going to be a $3 coupon you can use to make it $28.86. At the end of the launch, the price is going to go up, and it's going to be also $47 a month instead of just the one-time fee. There is going to be a coupon here you can use to get it for $27 a month. The starter version will be $20 a month, and there won't be a coupon available for that. But starting June 1st, they're going to increase the price to a flat $67, and there will not be any more coupons for it. So make sure if you decide you want to pick this up, try to get it early. Get it on Tuesday or Wednesday at the latest so you can save the most on it and just pay the one-time fee. So that's it for this review of the Done For You Hero 2.0. If you guys have any questions, leave them below this video and I will try to get to them as soon as I can. Otherwise, the link will be under this video where you can go to the sales page and learn more and get other demos.